In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the margins just for a table in Microsoft Word. Adjusting table margins is helpful when you want your table to have more spacing inside the cells without affecting the rest of your document. This can make your table easier to read and look more professional. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and click anywhere inside the table you want to adjust. When you click inside the table, a new Table Tools tab appears at the top of the ribbon. Under Table Tools, click Layout. In the Layout tab, look for the Cell Margins button in the Alignment group. Click on it and a dialog box will appear called Table Options. Here, you'll see the settings for top, bottom, left, and right cell margins. To increase or decrease the space inside the cells, simply change the numbers in these fields. For example, if you want more space between the text and the cell borders, increase the top and bottom margins. If you want the text to move away from the sides of the cell, increase the left and right margins. Make sure the option Same as the whole table is unchecked if you want to apply custom margins to selected cells only. This allows you to adjust margins for a specific part of your table instead of the entire table. Once you've made your adjustments, click OK. Another quick method is to use the drag handles on the table itself. Hover your mouse over the cell borders until you see the double-sided arrow, then click and drag to manually adjust the spacing. While this method is less precise than using cell margins, it's useful for quick adjustments. By changing the table margins, you can make your table look cleaner, improve readability, and ensure that your data fits nicely within the document layout. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.